What is crypto? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset with a primary function to work as a medium of exchange value within a peer-to-peer economic system. What does that mean? It means it's made for me to give a digital asset to you without a third party like a bank. Cryptocurrency uses cryptography to verify and secure transactions. Cryptography is associated with the process of converting ordinary plain text into unintelligible text and vice versa. And it's a method of storing and transmitting data in a particular form so that only those for whom it is intended can read and process it. Cryptography not only protects data from theft or alteration, but can be used for user authentication. Unlike centralized banking systems, most cryptocurrencies are based on a decentralized network. They're serviced by a distributed network of computers spread around the world, which we call nodes. Anybody with the internet or even a weak radio signal can access and exchange valuables across continents with the click of a button. Cryptocurrency transactions are immutable. This means the transactions are irreversible, which, unlike chargeback transactions permitted by credit card companies, can't be reversed. And lastly, the issuance and management of cryptocurrency units are determined by the network architecture, which is based on programming algorithms and cryptographic proofs. These can be considered as a predefined set of rules, also known as the protocol, and defines how a cryptocurrency operates. I hope that helps you understand what crypto is. So keep watching our short series to learn more.